Welcome to Guru Education Center. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is a genetic material. What is DNA replication? Replication means parent DNA replicates daughter DNA. What is DNA transcription? DNA to mRNA. A segment of DNA into mRNA is called transcription. Reverse transcription means mRNA into DNA is called reverse transcription. What is translation? Translation means processing of making proteins from mRNA is called translation. Overall பார்த்தீங்கன்னா genetic material flow from DNA into mRNA, mRNA into protein is called central dogma. Central dogma is first proposed by Francis Crick in 1957. Central dogma related questions பார்க்கலாம். First question. Complete the flowchart on the central dogma. DNA into mRNA transcription, mRNA into protein translation. Q is transcription, R is translation. Option D is correct. The diagram shows an important concept in the genetic implication of DNA. Fill in the blanks A to C. DNA into mRNA transcription, mRNA into protein translation. சென்ட்ரல் டாக்மா ஃபஸ்ட்டு ப்ரப்போஸ் பண்ணது ஃப்ரான்சிஸ் கிரிக். ஆப்ஷன் ஏ இஸ் கரெக்ட். தேங்க்யூ.